I'm Mia, and today I'll be teaching you how to access a power port placed in the upper left chest. A power port is a type of port usually placed in the chest and planted in people with a long-term need for infusions. You can infuse fluids directly into the heart by injecting them into the septum of the port because the catheter goes all the way into the heart. To begin the process of accessing a power port, you must get out a sterile field and open it carefully, making sure not to touch the inside. When it is opened, there should be a tool inside filled with alcohol to clean the skin over the port. When opening the other materials, you must make sure you do not touch the sterile objects and drop them directly from the package onto the sterile field. These items include a needle, a needleless connector, a saline flush, a tegaderm, and gloves. The whole sterile area should look something like this. To maintain sterility, you must put on gloves properly. To do this, you only touch the inside and the folded over cuff on the outside with your bare hands. Once both gloves are on, you can only touch sterile areas. Now that you can touch the sterile field, you connect the flush to the needleless connector and the needleless connector to the needle. Then you push on the flush until drops of water come out of the tip of the needle. Now you use the alcohol to clean the skin. You wipe it over the port in circular motions, going in an outward spiral. Since the skin is now clean, you can touch it with your gloved hands and get a feel for the port's position. After you can feel the shape, you feel the top looking for the 3 palpation points and the septum in the middle that the needle must pierce. Once you've found the target, you have to spread the skin on top or pinch the port in place so it doesn't move when you try to pierce it. When you do pierce it, you should feel it hit the metal back of the port. Then you can pull back on the flush to check for blood return. If you see blood in the tubing, it's in the right place and you can push the flush in. This flushes out any blood cells stuck to the inside of the catheter. To place the tegaderm, you set it on top of the needle lightly and press down as you peel off the border. The tegaderm keeps bacteria out while the needle remains in the port. After securing it with tape, the access port looks like this. I keep it in for an hour while I infuse a liter of saline to raise my blood pressure. When you're ready to take it out, you put 2 fingers on the base, keeping it against the skin, while you pull on the other piece in the middle with your other hand. This locks the needle inside where it can't hurt anyone. Thank you for letting me share how to use this amazing medical device with you. It's incredibly important to so many people, whether it's delivering antibiotics, chemotherapy, or just 0.9% sodium chloride.